So yun, good morning guys. So today we will discuss about endocrine glands. So the human endocrine system interacts with the nervous system in order to control the activity within all the cells in the body. So endocrine system is comprised of glands, which organs that secrete particular compounds. These compounds act as a messenger, traveling throughout the bloodstream and delivering that message to their target cells. So, ano nga ba itong compounds na to? The compounds are called hormones. Gaya na nasabi ko, the hormones interact only with their target cells. So, dito, pag-usapang hormones, hindi na natin siya lalaliman pa kasi after ng report namin, may kasunod kaming grupo na kanilang i-report ay hormones. Okay. The human endocrine system consists of the following glands, which are located all over the human body. Here, we will focus on the organs of the endocrine system and their specific functions.
Pituitary gland, a pea-sized body attached to the base of the brain. Pituitary gland is also have a secret hormones. And pituitary gland can be divided into two, which is the anterior and posterior lobes. The pituitary gland also is a small oval shape. It's located behind your nose, near underside of your brain. It's attached to the hypothalamus by the stalk-like structure. The hypothalamus is a small area of the brain. It's important in controlling the balance of your body functions because it controls the release of hormones from the pituitary gland. This is referred also as the master gland because the monitors and regulates many bodily function through the hormones. And the next one is thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is the vital hormone gland. It plays a major role in metabolism, growth, and development of the human body. It helps to regulate many body functions, so constantly releasing into steady amount of thyroid hormones into the body stream. The thyroid is the butterfly-shaped organ located in the base of your neck. Hormones it releases that control metabolisms, the way our body uses energy.
Parathyroid glands, a tiny masses of tissue embedded in the posterior surface of the thyroid. It produces parathyroid hormone, and it also called parathormone or parathyroid. The importance of parathyroid glands is to control calcium levels in the bloodstream, and also to ensure the nervous system and the body muscles can work properly, and also that bones remain strong. It located behind the thyroid at the bottom of your neck. Parathyroid glands have two cells. First is the sheep cells, and second is the occiput cells. Adrenal glands, a pair of glands each on the superior surface of a kidney. Each adrenal resembles a cone-shaped hat. It is a small gland located on top of each kidney. It secretes steroid hormones such as cortisol and aldosterone. It produces hormones that help regulate your metabolism, immune system, blood pressure, response to stress, and other essential functions. Adrenal glands consist of two regions. The adrenal cortex. It is the outer layer of the gland, and it have three region parts: the zona glomerulosa, the zona fasciculata, and the zona reticularis. And the adrenal medulla. It is the core of the gland, and it has achromaffin cells.
Pancreas. During digestion, our pancreas makes pancreatic juices, called enzymes. These enzymes break down sugars, fats, and starches. Our pancreas also helps our digestive system by making hormones. Pancreas is located behind the stomach in the upper left abdomen. The most important hormones that the pancreas produces is the insulin. And we have thymus. Thymus is the initial site of T cell, immune maturation, through positive and negative selection. Thymus lies in the superior mediastum and the anterior part of the inferior mediastum, close to the pericardium. Thymus produces and secretes thymosin, a hormone necessary for T cell development and production.
The pineal gland. Researchers do know that it produces and regulates some hormones, including melatonin. It is located on the back portion of the third cerebellar ventricle of the brain, which is fluid space in the brain. The pineal gland was known as the third eye. It produces melatonin, which help maintain circadian and regulates reproductive hormone. The pineal gland is best known for the secretion of the hormone melatonin, which is released into the blood and possibly also into the brain fluid, also known as cerebrospinal fluid. The pineal gland is very important since it is a crucial part of your endocrine system, which regulate major bodily processes such as growth, metabolism, sexual development through the release and control of hormones. Testes. Testis gland has two very important functions that are very important to the male reproductive system. They produce sperms and they secrete hormones, primarily testosterone. The testes are two small organs that are found inside the scrotum. The testes also have the distinction of being an endocrine gland because they secrete testosterone, a hormone that is vital to the normal development of male physical characteristics. It is very important because it is responsible for making testosterone the primary male sex hormones and producing sperm. Ovaries. The ovaries produce the egg cells, called the ova or ossicles. The ossicles are then transported to the fallopian tube, where fertilization by sperm may occur. The ovaries are located on the lower abdomen. The ovaries is a ductless reproductive gland in which the female reproductive cells are produced. Females have a pair of ovaries. Ovaries secrete hormones like estradiol and progesterone. It is very important because it produces an egg that enables individual women to carry a life